guys, so it's the 7th of December, which is a Friday. Tomorrow is my sister's birthday. She has a birthday on the 8th of December, so it's her birthday. She turns 27. Today I'm just chilling at home, helping my godparents out by looking after Cordelia for a couple of hours. And this is what I'm wearing. I'm just wearing my Laura Taylor jumper. It's super oversized, super baggy. And then I just have my little leggings. Excuse the mess of my room, it's crazy. But yeah, so today I'm going to Fred's tonight. We're probably going to watch a movie. We've spoke about watching the movie Hereditary, which I really want to watch, and I think that he'll really like too, so maybe we'll watch that. But yeah, I will show you guys what I can show you. Hey guys, so for the past 30 minutes or so I've been doing like a tiny little project, if you could even call it a project. I've just been making lists of some cool stuff. So I made 2 lists. Basically, next year is a really big year in cinema, at least for me and for Fred. There's a lot of movies that we really want to see, that we've highly anticipated. A lot of them are sequels, but we've like really looked forward to them, and we've been talking about them all this year because we're huge cinema fans. Like, I'm obsessed with cinema, I always have been. I don't know, I just love different styles and different genres and different cinematography and basically talking anything about film. So yeah, I basically decided that I would make a list of movies that are at very top of what we want to see at the cinema, because here in Switzerland cinema tickets are very expensive. So I figured if I made a list of movies that we can have like an excuse to go to the cinema for, then we can only go to the cinema to watch these movies and these movies only. So then it saves us some money, because the cinema is hella expensive. It's like 25 to 30 francs per ticket, and that's just insane to me. That's like 20 pounds or something, and that's just bizarre because it's like 7 pounds at home. And the funny thing is, I always used to think it was super expensive back in the UK, and until I came to Switzerland I didn't realise how much more expensive it was. So I'm going to show you guys my list. So it literally just looks like this. I just put trips to the cinema, and then I've just got the movies that we want to watch and a little check box next to each. So there's It Chapter 2, Toy Story 4, there's all different kinds of ones in there. There's Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, which I have been anticipating for like 2-3 years since Quentin Tarantino announced it. I'm so excited for it. Us, which is a new Jordan Peele horror movie, and I loved Get Out, so I really want to go see that. Dark Phoenix and New Mutants, oh my god, I am way too excited for it, like way too excited. And the new Star Wars and the new Spider-Man I'm so excited for too. But these are movies that we both really have expressed an interest in wanting to go see. So I just figured that I would write those down, and then these can be movies that we go watch at the cinema. I left a bit of space as well in case we both want to add something if something new gets announced or something comes out. But this is all for 2019. And then I did another list because obviously we're really big on movies. There's a lot of movies that I've seen that he hasn't seen, and a lot of movies that he's seen that I haven't seen, and movies that we both have seen but we just want to watch together. So on the top of the list is Hereditary, which is like a horror movie I've been dying to watch. There's all different kinds of movies on here. There's so many different ones, oh my gosh. Greatest Showman has been on my list for ages, I've not seen it. But yeah, I left a lot of space. I figured we would probably like, I said to Fred that he could keep this in his living room, and then every time we watch a movie we can just tick it off and then add to it as we want to, and we can obviously go on the back as well. But yeah, I just thought it was a fun idea, like, to pass time. I sat here with like a cup of tea and then just did that. So yeah, that was a great way to pass time. Good morning guys, or should I say good afternoon. Yes, I stayed at Fred's last night, as you can tell by the difference of bed. Fred's new bed, so yeah, I slept really good last night. Fred's nipped out because he has something to do this morning, so I'm gonna do my makeup. I was just catching up on some vlogmas videos from my favorite YouTubers because I'm kind of behind. I've not had a lot of like time to just be watching videos because, like, as I said last week in previous vlogmas, like, it was like a stressful time and it was horrible. Excuse the face as well, obviously I've just got up so I have no makeup on. I'm about to do my makeup now, but yeah, I'm kind of torn because, like, I know we're going out later, we're going this evening to the Christmas markets, so I'm kind of torn as to whether to do like a full face with foundation. This is the foundation that I use, by the way,
Hello Flawless Oxygen Wow one by Benefit in Believe in Me Ivory. It's like literally amazing. It's like a light to medium coverage, like it's not a heavy coverage at all. It's just like perfect for everyday use. And then I also use their concealer for if I'm not using that. I just put this like all over my face, or I add this on top of my layers of like foundation. I'm kind of torn because I don't know whether to do a full face of makeup with foundation and eyeshadow and everything, so then I don't have to do it tonight and I just have to touch it up. But I know that I like the process of getting ready to go out in the evening, so maybe I'll just do light makeup and just do eyebrows and concealer and mascara, which is what I normally do like on random days. So I've been catching up on Vlogmas. I've been watching Adeline Morin's Vlogmas. She's like my favorite YouTuber at the moment. Like when I don't have time to watch her, I just save all of her videos into like my little folder. So this is Vlogmas day 5 for her. And yeah, I always watch her videos, they're so good. But yeah, I'll get ready and stuff and then I'll update you guys in a bit. I decided to go with minimal makeup, so just eyebrows, mascara and a little bit of concealer to cover those blemishes. There's gonna be music over it so you can talk if you want.
I can sing.
Is that you trying to sing Beauty and the Beast?
No.
As if this place just sells tea.
No.
And other things, obviously.
And food.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Oh my god, look. Look at some colours.
So we just waited in this giant line to get a hot dog. So now we're gonna eat this. So I got a hot dog and Fred got, what is it?
Pasta with pork and cheese and onion.
So me and Fred just saw the craziest house. It's full on decked out for Christmas. It's like Christmas on steroids. So we're gonna see if we can drive up to it and go and fucking see it, because holy bejeebs, it's insane. I know, I'll just blink that out. It's okay. It's okay. Just drive past, just drive past.
God damn hell. Why would you do that?
Oh my god!
Really, man?
It ain't Vlogmas if they're in a crazy house. Oh my god. Whoa. So, hey guys, it's the next day and me and Fred are having a lazy day today. Excuse the face and the hair. I'm feeling kind of trashy. We stan a trashy queen. Yeah, we're gonna watch a movie. We're gonna watch The Lovely Bones. We got snacks, got M&M's, drink of water. We got everything we could ever want. And we're gonna watch The Lovely Bones. And we're both in PJs and in bed. And we're just gonna watch The Lovely Bones because why not? Hey guys, it's Monday morning and I'm in my pajamas. I decided I'm going to spend my day in my pajamas because I'm feeling a little bit crap. I'm kind of sniffly and feeling kind of gross. But yeah, I just thought I'd relay what I've really been up to. So obviously this weekend I spent some time with Fred. We went to the Christmas market, as you guys saw. And then the day after we had a cozy day together. Because it's our last Sunday together, and every time we have a Sunday together we like to just cuddle up and watch a movie. So we watched a movie. Yeah, we watched The Lovely Bones and it was really good. And now, because it is morning, I'm gonna have one of my cereal bars, which are like the Ovomaltine cereal bars. They're like a muesli cereal bar and I absolutely love them. Yeah, I'm gonna have these. And I think I'm just gonna have a day where I kind of edit the footage that I've got, and then once I've finished that, I think I'm gonna just like watch maybe a movie on Netflix. Honestly, I'm not feeling great. As you could probably hear, I'm kind of congested. It's kind of gross. I may even paint my nails maybe today or tomorrow. But tomorrow night I am going to Fred's, and I'm going to be staying there Tuesday and Wednesday, and then on Thursday in the morning he's going to take me to the station. I'm going to get the train to the airport, and then I will be flying back to the UK for Christmas. So yeah, you'll be able to see all of that. I'll probably vlog a little bit on my journey back to the UK, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the vlog. So I just realized I didn't give you guys like a mini review of the Christmas market. So basically, we went to the Christmas market in Montreux, which is like a really, really big thing here in Switzerland. Like, it's huge. I've never been to Montreux before. A lot of people know it because it has a statue in memory of Freddie Mercury, like on the side of the lake. But yeah, the entire Christmas market is on the side of the lake, and there was so many cool things. There was so much nice food. As you saw, we had like hot dogs, and Fred had like pasta. We went to like this meat and cheese hut where they were selling meat and cheese, and Fred bought some deer, maybe? I'm not sure. I'm not really great with meat, so I was just kind of like, what? I was just stood there, and he bought some cheese. And then I went to a stall and we had hot wine, and we also went to another store that sold these really nice like melting like hot cookies which had like chocolate chunks in them, and they were just, oh, they were so good. And then I got some macarons. I got Nutella macarons, which are over there. There are the Nutella macarons over there. They're kind of crushed because Fred was trying to put my Polaroid camera into my bag and accidentally smushed them. But yeah, there they are, and I'm probably gonna eat them soon. But yeah, so all in all, we had a really great time at the Christmas markets. It was super duper fun. We had a really nice time. And then the day after, we just had a lazy day like I just showed you guys, where we literally just like watched movies, ate snacks, and then we had dinner. We had, well, I had some falafel and then some cucumber, and then I came back to my godparents' house, and then obviously I go back on Tuesdays. So yeah. Hey, so good morning guys, or should I say good afternoon. Yes, I woke up really, really late today. I don't know why my body clock has been like really, really whacked, so I woke up really, really late today. And I'm just watching an episode of Ugly Betty, and then I'm gonna do my makeup because I have to go to the store. Basically, I have to go to the store to get some food for tonight, because I said to Fred, because I'm going to his tonight, that I would cook us a lovely meal. So I'm gonna cook us some really nice tortellini pasta, and then I'm gonna try and make garlic bread from some French baguettes that I'm gonna get from the store. And then tomorrow I'm gonna do him steak and my homemade sweet potato fries. So yeah, that should be good. I need to get ready and go to the store and do all of this, because obviously Fred's picking me up later tonight, and I may as well just do my makeup and leave it for the rest of tonight. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna have an easy one today. The annoying thing is I need to pack up all of my stuff, like here for my godparents, and like all of my stuff from Fred's, because I fly on Thursday and I'm taking all my stuff to Fred's. So I need to just pack everything up. There's some stuff that I'm gonna have to leave here for when I come back in February for work, but yeah, so it's all a little bit crazy, and I should hopefully get that done really soon. So ta-da! I did my makeup and I literally just brushed my hair. Yes, I'm sporting second day hair, but that doesn't matter because I'm gonna shower later tonight. And this is my outfit for today. My outfit for today. Yes, it's pretty basic, but it's just my denim skirt, this cute little retro style top, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Hey guys, so it is Wednesday, which means that I do go home tomorrow. I'm obviously going to record me flying and all of that stuff and getting ready. Hopefully like the travel won't be as long as like it normally is, because it's really stressful. Obviously the backdrop's a little bit different. I'm actually in Fred's apartment, which I have cleaned today. Don't mind that. But yeah, so I've been cleaning here. I've also been packing up my case, which was like very strategic to do and kind of annoying because it just took like so much effort to do because I had to organize so many things. So now I'm just having a little break before Fred gets home because I'm gonna make him some dinner later when he gets home. So I'm watching Ugly Betty. I decided to like catch up on this because I used to watch it when it first came out with my mum and my sister, and I remember it just being such a good TV show, and like I've recently got back into it, so I'm like kind of getting obsessed with it again. But yeah, to have like a little break, I'm gonna like paint my nails and just try and wind and maybe edit a little bit. But yeah, I might show you guys when my nails are finished. So hi guys, it is actually Thursday, and obviously that's the day that I fly, hence why I'm literally in the airport, in like a weird corner of the airport. But yeah, I just realized that I never like finished it and said like goodbye and signed off, so yeah. Oh, also, I finished my nails. I did them this like mauvey like tone color, I guess. But yeah, I just came here to say goodbye. Yeah, well obviously you're gonna see me next vlog because I'm gonna be vlogging like traveling home, so yeah. But today is Thursday, I'm in the airport. I only had 4 hours sleep. Bless Fred's little heart for actually dropping me off at the station to go to the airport and everything. Little angel. But yeah, so I'm gonna go home tonight, and I'll probably get some footage of when I actually get home. It's so loud here, oh my god. So I'll see you guys probably around the same time, definitely the same place, so keep on keeping on.
Rocking around.